Everyone, welcome back to the next video. In this video I will show you how you can apply the zoom transition effect to a video in native Android application using Media3Effect. So let's get started. Now there are two ways to apply this effect. One is to apply this effect temporarily for a video, and one to apply permanently, and when we apply it permanently, we'll have to save it to external storage as well, so that the user can access it whenever he or she wants. So first let me show you how to apply it temporarily. Like whenever user selects a video, that zoom transition will be applied, but it will not be applied permanently. Okay, so I'll just click on pick video. I'll just select one of this video, and here you can see the zoom transition is getting applied. Okay, so hopefully you got the point. But like I said, once the user plays this video, like if he goes outside our app and tries to place the video, he will not see the zoom transition. So this is just applied temporarily inside our application. Maybe you want this. Later on, at the end of this video, I'll show you how to apply permanently as well. So let's get started. So first, I have created a native Android application using XML layout, but if you want, you can use Jetpack Compose as well, so it's completely up to you. Then first you need to go to this build.gradle.kts. Here you need to add some dependencies. First one is Media3Effect, next Media3 Transformer, next Media3 Common, then Media3 UI, and then Media3 Exo Player. Then you can just click on the sync now button and it will download all the Android dependencies for you. Then you need to go to activity_main, and here I have taken a button, one for picking the video, and second one is our player view. So here I have given it some width, height, resize mode. If you are using Jetpack Compose, you will have to do this via Jetpack Compose. Okay, so yeah, that's all there is to it. Next, coming back to our main activity. So firstly, these are all the imports. I'll simply scroll through these imports. Feel free to pause the video and just copy all these imports. Now this transformer.listener, it is for the second approach or the second output, which I will show you. If you are using the first approach, you don't require this transformer.listener. Okay, then here we have this array list of effect. Here is our input player, Exo Player. Here is our input player view. Then the file name is also empty. Playback position is 0. Play when ready is true. Here is our transformer, and here is our file path, file name as well. Then here is our handler, and here is our progress holder. Here is our video URL. So we have this method which launches the video picker and helps us to pick a video. So here you can see we are filtering out only by video, and once a video has been picked, we get URI of the video and we assign it to video URL. Now for the first method, which I have already shown you, the first output, we are using init input player. But for the second approach, we'll be commenting init input player and we'll be uncommenting setup transformer. We'll do that later on. Then inside on create, we initialize our input player. Here is the matrix transformation zoom effect which I was showing it to you. Now I am not good at math. I have literally copy pasted all this from the official Android documentation. So yeah, if you are good at math, maybe you can apply all sorts of crazy effects with the help of matrix transformation. Then we add the effect to our effects array. Then on the button click, we just launch this new video picker. Then here we initialize our input player. So here we just initialize input player, then play when ready is true, and here we assign the player as well. Now if you are using the second approach, which I will show you shortly, we have to uncomment this and we have to comment this particular thing out. But for now, for the first approach, we have to use this. We don't require these 2 lines of code. That's why they are commented. Then here we are setting the seek position, play when ready, and preparing our player. This is how you release our player. Releasing the player is useful in on stop method. Inside on pause, we pause our player, and inside on destroy also we release our player. Now this setup transformer, again, like I said, will be called in the second approach. So for now it is commented it out. So it calls transform video. So you don't require this if you are following the first method. Okay, so you can completely remove this code. So here is our transformer. Here is our input media item. Here is our edited media item. Here we create the external file. Here we start the transformation, and here we track the progress state. So to track the progress state, there are 2 things. One is the progress state as well as the actual progress. The progress state will be 0, 1 and 2. If it becomes 0, that means the video has finished processing and you can play it now. Now the progress holder, it goes from 0 to 100, but it's not necessary it will reach 100. Sometimes it stops at 90, 92, whatever it feels convenient. The reason being, it depends on, like, if your video is short, then sometimes it stops at 90, and also here I have added 500 milliseconds delay. That's why. So the best approach is if the progress states become 0, then you can stop showing the progress bar. I am not displaying a progress bar in this case because I am picking short videos. Again, this is only for second approach, okay, not for first approach, because for first approach it's pretty quick because we are applying that effect temporarily. Then here we are creating external file. Again, I have copied this code from documentation. Okay, I'll just do refactoring code, reformat code, so that you guys can see all the code. And here we save the file to external storage. Now you can, even this I have copy pasted it from documentation, so I'll simply scroll through this. Feel free to pause the video and just copy all this code. Then here we have this on completed callback. So this is also another helpful method if you want to know when the video finished transforming or has finished applying that particular effect. So once it has finished, we initialize our input player, we save the file to external storage, and in case of on error, we just display a like a toast message and print whatever is the error is present. Okay, now let's see how to apply the second effect, right? So for the second effect, we just uncomment this and we comment this one out. Okay, let me just simply scroll, and here I'll just uncomment this as well, and I'll comment this one out as well. Okay, let me just unlock my device and let me rerun the application again. So once we apply this effect, again this does take a bit of time depending on how long or how big your video is, and I'll also show you the progress bar as well, because progress state, I mean, I'll just delete this. Okay, now I'll click on pick video again. I'll just select one of this video, and here you can see now it is taking a bit of time, but it is displaying the progress of how much has been done. So here you can see the first value is 2. Here you can see the zoom transition is getting applied. So hopefully you got the point. Now if I click on pick video, there should be 3 videos. So here you can see the first video is from our latest output, and let me quickly show it to you. So here you can see at the end this value becomes 0. Like I said, the second value, it's not guaranteed it will reach till 100. So if it stops at 90, but this 0 is an indication. Also this on completed callback gets called, so it's up to you where you want to stop displaying your progress bar. So this one on so yeah, that's it. Thank you for watching. Bye.